Hello and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about Kajabi's new Evolve Basic Plan. So this plan had some pretty big changes. So the biggest change in this plan is moving from 10,000 contacts in the old Basic Plan to 2,500 contacts in the new Evolve one. Now, that's a pretty big hit, especially if you're above 2,500 contacts and using the basic plan, because it means you've got some decisions to make. Either pay an extra $100 to move from your old basic plan into the new growth plan, or stay with your old legacy basic plan and pay the $30 more to get into the new pricing of the new plan. That's right. As of January 13th, 2026, even if you're a legacy user continuing with the old plan quotas and limits, on that date, your pricing will increase to the new plan. And the new pricing for the basic plan is $179 a month. So that's a $30 increase from the price that you're paying as a legacy user right now. It's not all bad news. There was an increase in the basic plan. You moved from 3 products to 5 products. And so that can be pretty helpful. You also get the community with unlimited access groups, not included in your product quota. As a basic user, the old way, you would have the community counting as one of your products. But now the community with unlimited access groups is a standard feature across all plans, even the Kickstarter plan. So you get your 5 products, you get your community, and you get unlimited access groups. And that's a huge bonus for the community. In this new evolved way that Kajabi just released in September, the focus is really on being able to engage with your customers and your audience. So the community is standard. The unlimited access groups is standard, and everyone gets more products, except the Kickstarter. They still get one, but the basic gets, essentially taking the community out of your product quota and then boosting it to 5 gives you an extra 3 more products if you were a community user. So that's a really big win because it gives you the flexibility to offer more things or to just really fill out your current offer. And what I mean by that is, if, say, you're selling a coaching program or a 6-week course or a membership, anything that you're delivering content, audio content or video content to, lessons and whatnot, or group coaching, with this extra room in products, you can add a private podcast to your offering so that people can get that content through the podcast mechanisms, technology, which can be a lot easier for some people instead of going into video. So that's kind of neat and something that you can do with it. Another cool thing across all plans and included in the basic plan is Kajabi really improved their app for your customers. So your customers can now get the community, coaching, podcasts, courses, all within one. So that experience is really improved. Now, you get that in the legacy plan as well. So, the app has increased for everyone across the board, regardless of what plan you're in. But it is a nice feature that's worth noting. So again, in a quick recap, for the basic plan, you get 5 products. You get the community plus unlimited access groups. You get 2,500 contacts. And then you get a website, unlimited landing pages, unlimited funnels, marketing emails, custom domain, Kajabi support, AI features, the Creator Studio, all of those things is included in the basic plan. And honestly, this plan is a really good plan for somebody who has an established business, who's got an email list that's bigger than 250 people, which is the limit for the Kickstarter plan. If you're bringing your business online, you've got some great flexibility here to have a community to engage with your members, to offer a few different courses with your 5 products. This plan can do a lot. The only real limit is that it's limited at 2,500 contacts. Now, I do want to quickly mention as well that Kajabi, with their new pricing arrangement, has added an a la carte feature where if you need to increase specific quota limits on just one area, you can go into your settings, into your billing details, and then you can see what you're using. This many of that, this many of that, etc. And some of those things, I don't know if contact limit is one of them, but some of those things, I know website is for sure. You can just pay extra to receive more of one thing. So if the contact limit is a real stick in the mud for you as a basic user or wanting to come into the basic plan, then perhaps you can increase your contacts just by the amount that you need. That would be something that would be worth exploring. So that is Kajabi's new basic plan summarized. This is a great plan. It offers a lot of flexibility and value, but it is a shift in focus from being able to be with you to really grow your list to what used to be 10,000 people, which is really big, to instead of being there for your list growth, being there for your product development and your product growth and giving you more flexibility to sell more things. So this could be a real answer for a lot of people's problems. Some people it's a win-win, some people it's a not so great, but that's what it is. If you are a legacy user and you've got more than 2,500 contacts, you don't want to upgrade to the new plan and get your contacts list reduced to 2,500 or be forced to move into the growth plan, you can stay as a legacy user. You will start paying the higher price as of January 13th in 2026, but you can keep your old stuff. So that is an option as well. Anyways, that's enough said about the basic plan. In the next episode, I'll be talking about the growth plan, and I will see you there. As always, thanks for listening.